Hello everyone, welcome back to Caret IT Solutions Odoo version 18 updates. Today we are diving into the Update Product Price application, your ultimate tool for managing product prices with ease. Whether you want to update prices for specific products, entire categories, or all products at once, this module serves you all. From quick tweaks to mass price changes, it's fast, simple, and super efficient. So guys, stick around as we walk through the features, show you how it works, and share tips to manage your product prices like a pro. So let's get started. To install this application, you can go to Apps, search for Update Product Prices, and then user can install this application. After installing this application, you can find it onto the Odoo menu dashboard. So now that the application is installed, let's create a new product and see how the product prices can be updated through this particular application. So let's go to Sales, Products, and create a new product. Let's say I'm creating a keyboard and updating its price as $100. Now we can see into the system we already have few products created. Now let's say I want to increase a fixed amount of prices of some of my products. So what I will do is update in fixed amount, update operation, increase the prices, amount. I need to add the amount which needs to be increased onto my product price. Let's say I need to add 60 onto my current product prices. Update on. Now here you can see the system gives you an option. Either you can update the price for a specific product or a specific product category or onto all the products. So let's select a specific product. When you select update on specific product, system gives you an option to add multiple product lines into this wizard. So let's go and add few products which I want to update the prices on. So let's say I'm adding HP EliteBook and keyboard and select these products. Let's go and update the prices. Let me show you into the product forms the updated prices for these products. Here we can see for HP EliteBook the prices is being updated by 60 now, and even on keyboard we can see the prices are updated. Now that you have seen how to increase the fixed amount onto the product prices, let's go and explore another scenario of increasing or decreasing certain percentage on the product prices. So let's go to the application, update in percentage, update operation. Let's select decrease the prices of the product. Let's say I want to decrease 10% of prices. Here I will go and select an option of all the products and update the prices. Let's go to the inventories and see onto the products if the prices are updated or not. Here we can see the HP EliteBook prices are decreased and all the other product prices are also decreased by 10%. To the another scenario, let's assume I want to replace the price of one product to 0. So what I will do is I will go to the bulk product price application, update, fix amount, and I will add here replace operation and amount is 0. And let's say I want to update this on a specific product, let's say for a keyboard. Into the keyboard we can see the current price is 288 and we want to replace this price by 0. So let's go and update this product price. Now that my product price is updated, I can see here the system has given me the report